One of the most unique features at our listing at 11650 Timberline Circle and one of Fort Myers' hidden gem called the Timbers is this wood burning fireplace. You rarely are gonna see an actual real wood burning fireplace in any community in Fort Myers, but it is something that is very common in the Timbers, and it is become very useful on those chilly winter nights that we do get in Southwest Florida. So just another unique feature that this particular house has. It's 3 beds, 2 baths, just shy of 2,300 square feet on the lake with southwest rear exposure. Means you get those sunsets with a custom built 2006 saltwater pool for just $679,997. Don't miss this opportunity.